Today I want to discuss one more question, that is calculate the force of gravitation between the earth and the sun. The mass of the earth which is given in the question is 6 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg, and the mass of the sun is 2 into 10 to the raised to power 30 kilogram, and the average distance between two is 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11 meters. So first of all I need to write the given of the question. So this m1 is the mass of the earth, that is 6 into 10 to the raised to power 24 kilogram. Mass 2, that is the mass of the sun, is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 30 kilogram. Now the distance between the two is 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11. So r is equal to, r is the distance, that is 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11 meters. So what is given in the question? What we need to find? We need to find the force of the gravitation, that is gravitational force of ULG. F is equal to capital G m1 multiplied by m2 upon r square. So the value of G, we already know that G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11. So we are putting all these values in this particular equation. Now we are getting 67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 multiplied by m1. The value is 6 into 10 raised to power 24. So 6 into 10 raised to power 24 multiplied by 2 into 10 raised to power 30 upon r square. So the value of r is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11 meters. So we are putting the same value here, 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11 का square. Now we can write like this: 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to power 24 multiplied by 2 into 10 raised to power 30 upon. So there are two times we can write this point, that is 1.5 multiplied by 1.5, because here you can see this value is in the form of square. Now same thing with 10 raised to power 11. So 10 raised to power 11, two times we need to write. Okay, now what we are doing, 6.67 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2. All the terms which are without 10 raised to power, these terms we need to write in separate form. And 1.5 multiplied by 1.5. So over here we need to write the multiply sign and write 10 raised to power 11. All these 10 raised to power term we need to write here. So 10 raised to power minus 11 multiplied by 10 raised to power 24 multiplied by 10 raised to power 30, right? And here 10 raised to power 11 multiplied by 10 raised to power 11. So first of all we need to solve this particular portion. So multiply by, so this 10 raised to power 11 and 24 and 30. So after adding 24 and 30 we are getting, so here by adding these 24 and 30, we are having value 10 raised to power 54, and over here we need to add these values. Okay, the powers we need to add in multiply. So we are getting 22. Later on we can write like this, multiply by 10 raised to power 54 मल्टीप्लाई बाय अपर साइड जाके ये जो है वो माइनस में हो जाएगा, पावर जो है वो माइनस में हो जाएगी, तो यहाँ पे आएगा 22. नाउ वी नीड टू ऐड दिस 22 and 11, so we are getting 33. So that means minus 33 multiply by 10 raised to power 54. So when we are subtracting 54 and 33, we are getting